Welcome to Essential Biz Marketing. Let's explore Bibigo's global strategy. This practice analyzes Bibigo's global marketing using the 4P framework and compares adaptation versus standardization. First, here's an overview of Bibigo's brand and central question. Bibigo, from CheilJedang, shows how Korean food goes global. This analysis asks how Bibigo balances local adaptation and global standardization, supported by data from Practice 2-1, 3, and 4. Now, let's see Bibigo's proposed product strategy. Bibigo should adapt its products while maintaining a consistent brand identity. The core Korean-style mandu stays the same, but flavors, packaging, and sizes should change to fit each region. For example, here's what Bibigo can do in the US. In the US, Bibigo is recommended to offer smaller packs and microwave-ready dumplings to match individualistic lifestyles and convenience culture. Next, see what Bibigo can do in China and Southeast Asia. In China and Southeast Asia, Bibigo can sell bulk packs for family-style sharing. In Japan, Bibigo should use premium packaging and refined flavors for a precise, high-quality image. Here's more on Japan's proposed approach. Japanese consumers value premium packaging and delicate flavors. Bibigo is advised to use high-quality designs to align with Japan's preference for precision and aesthetics. When should Bibigo adapt its products? Bibigo should adapt when legal, cultural, or perception differences exist. This ensures a strong core identity while meeting local needs effectively. Now, here's Bibigo's proposed pricing approach. Bibigo should use premium pricing in high-income markets to position its products as high-quality Korean food. Next, see how Bibigo can adapt for price-sensitive regions. In markets like Vietnam and China, Bibigo is recommended to adjust prices by using local production to keep products affordable without lowering brand value. Economic factors shape this pricing choice. High labor costs in the US and EU suggest Bibigo should maintain premium pricing there, justifying higher production costs. Bibigo can balance pricing by using global operations. Bibigo should operate in lower-cost regions to offer competitive prices while protecting its premium brand reputation. Key factors support this dual pricing plan. Bibigo should balance local production, logistics costs, and regional purchasing power to set appropriate prices in each market. Now let's check Bibigo's proposed distribution plan. Bibigo should align its distribution with each country's retail landscape and logistics development for efficient reach. Here's what Bibigo can do in advanced markets. In the US, Japan, and the EU, Bibigo should use major retail chains and e-commerce channels, leveraging strong logistics systems. In emerging markets, Bibigo should adjust its channels. Where infrastructure is less developed, Bibigo can partner with local distributors to expand its reach reliably. Take Vietnam, for example. In Vietnam, Bibigo is advised to invest in logistics or form partnerships to overcome weak infrastructure and ensure stable distribution. Bibigo can also use strategic hubs. Hungary is recommended as Bibigo's production and distribution base for Europe, offering tax benefits, low labor costs, and a central location. Benefits make Hungary an ideal hub. Hungary's favorable taxes, affordable labor, and strategic geography help Bibigo cut costs while serving the entire EU market effectively. Now let's see Bibigo's proposed promotion plan. Bibigo should localize its communication strategies while keeping a clear Korean identity to connect with different cultural audiences. Next, see how Bibigo can promote in the US. In the US, Bibigo should highlight convenience and trendiness to match a culture of high individualism and indulgence. Now, here's the approach for China. In China, Bibigo is recommended to use messages that emphasize tradition and family sharing to resonate with collectivist values. Let's check Japan's recommended approach. In Japan, Bibigo should focus on premium quality and authenticity to build trust with consumers who value brand conservatism. Key elements shape Bibigo's local communication. Bibigo should navigate language, cultural symbols, media preferences, and local consumption habits to tailor promotions effectively in each market. Now let's compare the proposal with reality. Bibigo's flexible 4P plan balances adaptation and standardization. Compared to its actual operations, there are clear similarities and necessary differences. First, the product comparison. The proposed strategy suggests high local adaptation in flavors and packaging. In reality, Bibigo mostly uses standardized SKUs with minor tweaks to save costs. Next, the pricing comparison. The proposal recommends dual pricing under direct brand control. Actually, Bibigo often faces strong retailer influence and frequent discount promotions to boost sales. Here's the distribution comparison. Both the proposed and actual strategies show local network adaptation. Bibigo indeed uses strategic hubs like Hungary for EU production and distribution. Let's look at promotion. Both the ideal and real approach rely on localized messages, K-wave celebrities, and cultural stories to connect with each market. Finally, key takeaways from the comparison. While the proposed strategy shows an ideal model, Bibigo adjusts it in reality due to operational limits, production efficiency needs, and market pressures. Thank you for joining this session. This concludes our Bibigo Global Strategy practice. We hope you enjoyed exploring how theoretical proposals and real-world practices align and differ.